Okay, we're now going to go into creating a new game. I want to apologise for the database error we had at the end of the last session. It's due to having multiple copies of the site open, which have been since edited using the Visual Studio environment, and obviously it's not being served in IIS at the minute. We're just using localhost. So, okay, we're going to go and create the new game. So this time we're going to try and create Quake 3 Arena. So I type it in and publisher is ID, and the platforms, we know it's on PC, it should be on Xbox and PlayStation, so I'm ticking those boxes. I don't think there's a Wii version. We've got PS3 maybe. We'll probably go on PSP. So we'll do that. Okay, retail price. I looked on Amazon and see you can pick up a copy for about £7. And synopsis. We'll say the Doom phenomenon continues with this epic multiplayer 3D environment. Excellent. Okay, so release date now. I think it was released about sometime in 1999. So I'm going to put 10/10/1999, and then if we hit create, that should create the game. Okay, so if you scroll down to the bottom, or use the search bar, you type Quake, and it's in there with a blank image, and as you can see, the platforms have come up there. So the next thing we want to do is add some images. So the way I'm going to do that is actually, it's not listed in the main menu. It is one of the options that you can get. So the images we're going to go for, it is the Screen Images controller that I'm going to hit. And it doesn't work. Oh yeah, okay. Game/Screen Images. So it should be just localhost/Screen Images. And we're going to get an opportunity to add a new screen image. So first of all, you select the game from this drop down list. Here it is at the bottom, Quake 3 Arena. Then we're going to select the URL of the image. So first of all, we have to actually get an image. As you can see, I have quite helpfully prepared one here, quite a good image from the game. And we just so we're going to save that image. We will put it into the images folder. Give it a meaningful name, like Quake 3, and save. Just briefly, take a copy of that file name, because it'll save you time later. So save that. Okay, we've already got one there. Yeah, we'll go with a replace. Okay. So now back to our URL. We're going to have /images/ and there's Quake 3. And now for the thumb URL, you don't have to do this, but the way I've got it set up, it kind of helps to do just a dashed thumb, because then you can batch process it in Fireworks to create all the thumbnails. You could use a large image and just scale it, but it's kind of nice with the thumbnail. And we'll say the last box here is to tick the isMain boolean, and that's to say basically that this is the main image that will be presented to the viewer when they hit the game. So we'll say isMain, and we're going to create that, and that should do the trick. Okay, so that image is there. There is its. There it is. Okay, so we'll get another one up. So let's try and find another. Let's try and find another image for Quake 3. So here's my search page. We'll go back. That's a good one. Let's take this one. Nice railgun, something going on there. Okay, so we'll take this image. Again, save image as. Right, we're in the right folder. We'll call it Quake 3p. .jpg. Copy that. and then create it. Go ahead and create it up here in Screen Images. Just going to copy that off and put it in here with the thumbnail suffix. Okay, create that. So the next thing we're going to need to do, if we get our Visual Studio now, which is just here, we've got to actually add those images into the program. So we're going to go to Content, where are we going? We're going to go to the Images folder, which is here, and right click and add. We can't add existing item until we stop the game. So okay, stop. So we're going to add some existing items, and we're going down to the 2 quakes. Quake 3 and Quake 3B. So let's add those up. They will appear in there. The next thing we're going to want to do is get a quick copy of Fireworks up, and we'll use that to just quickly trash the resolution of those images. Again, in a future version of this, I'd like to use an API online to actually get hold of that. So, okay, I'll just pause this while I use Fireworks to get the resolution. Okay, here we are in Fireworks, and so we go File and Batch Process, and we're going to select a couple of files here. Quake 3, there it is, and Quake 3B. So we add them, and then next. And what we're going to do is scale them. So we'll add that scale option, and we're going to scale them to 50 pixel variable width, 50 pixel height, and we're going to rename them as well. Add suffix dash thumb. And we just have to check out that scale. It sometimes goes a bit funny. Okay, so scale and rename, and then we'll keep a backup just in case. This can be a little unpredictable. Same location as the original file. Incremental backups. Oh yeah, okay, batch it. And that will very quickly create you 2 files you need. So we'll just chill Fireworks out there, and it's out there. Okay, so if we run this up again, first being careful to remove any existing copies. So we'll take that out, and that's the only copy I got. And then we run it up in Visual Studio. Yeah, okay, if we run it up, we've got 2 rather giant-sized images from the game, which can need resizing obviously, and the game's all up there. Okay, thanks very much.